Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this awesome text animation on CapCut PC. I'm just going to type in the word space. Let me just actually adjust the brightness so you guys can see the word. And then you can copy a few texts if you want. Well, you have to do it, of course. And let's do galaxy is a little bit too okay. It fits. Make sure they're the same size as well. Select the 3 texts or how many ever text you have. Right click, create compound clip, go to video and select motion blur. Adjust the blur to around 80 and put the blend up to 50. And that is basically it. You can also use any colors on the text, but this is what your text should look like. As you can see, it kind of morphed into it. I feel like the text is quite long, so I might make them a little bit shorter like that. And I will enable motion blur again. It's a little bit better if the text you have isn't that long, so you can see the effect here like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!